so fast. Sooner than you know it, it will be in the past. Please don't hate me for this song. Just want you to know you do belong right here safe at home. I don't want you to forget or even get upset, 'cause with you I have no regrets. Endorse your favorite show. Beauty and the Beast will put you sound asleep. Finally give you some peace. And when you wake up in the middle of the night, I'll be running to your side to tell you everything's alright. You're my little girl, as precious as a pearl. I also want to thank you for giving me a different